I know, I'm not looking right, but feeling stressed out today. I had a friend that passed away and colleague, so it's been a very somber day. I'm on my fasting day of the alternate day fasting. This looks like it will be about a 40 to 42 hour fast by the time that I eat my next meal. I don't know. It's just so odd. There's a lot of mess going on in the world right now. And I don't know, I'm off. So I didn't get any rest, really. I was up, I don't know, probably my mind was ripping about 4 o'clock this morning. I usually get up at 6 a.m. and but if I'm up earlier than my normal time, I'm ruined for the rest of the day, and I just can't even really function at optimum level like I want to. But with the alternate day fasting, I think that it's helping me push through it. I've been working, and I'm still working right now, overtime. I don't get overtime, but I'm thinking that it might be a broth day. Now, we talked about how if we need to be a little lenient on ourselves, that less than 500 calories on a fasting day is acceptable. That's not my goal every time. It's just a backup just in case I feel a little shaky and I need some energy. So I've been going back and forth in my head about broth. Broth for me would be no more than about 40 calories for a bowl of beef broth or chicken. And I have both in my cabinet. Yes, technically it does break your fast, although you are still doing what I call a dirty fast. So if you just need a little bit of a boost or maybe a little bit of juice, something of that sort. For me, I'm saying that I'm not going to be chewing anything on my fasting day. If that means a little bit of juice, a little bit of liquid just to get through it for, 30, 40, 50 calories max, I think I'm doing well then. I'm doing well. When I got off of my last 48-hour fast, which was my first initial cycle of the alternate day fasting, I lost about, I think it was 3.5 pounds. That was pretty good, right? And I did have a little bit of, I've been doing the KOSO cleanse, so I drink the fermented drink in sparkling water, and that was about 40 or 50 calories, so that helped me through. And I still lost 3.5 pounds in 48 hours. It's not bad. Not bad. So how are you guys doing? Are you working on it? Are you deciding to jump on the bandwagon here? I did see some of your comments about, yeah, you were down for the challenge, so let's keep each other accountable. It's okay if we fall off every now and again off the wagon. Don't worry about it. Just keep going, pick up from there, start again, and the clock starts ticking once again. That's the great thing about hour to hour and life in general. You can start all over at any given time. Looking kind of tired. My eyes are red. I've been on the computer all day, and I don't know, I'm just worn out, and I guess it's mental. So remember, being mentally drained can also affect you physically, and that's just one thing you just have to deal with when you are fasting. If you feel so tired, just go ahead and take a nap, right? If you have the time, if you're off from work, or if you're not working right now, take a nap. Replenish yourself, and the time goes by a lot faster if we're sleeping and fasting in our sleep, right? I know you can't eat in your sleep. What does this all mean? Why do we do this to ourselves? Because the skin and eyes, your hair, everything looks healthy on the outside if you're healthy on the in. And so when you're cutting back on your digestion, giving your body a break on a regular basis, you will definitely reap the benefits of optimum health, right? And the immune system, building and keeping it strong. That's the key, and that's my goal. I want to have my immune system strong, more so than I want to lose extra weight. I know that you want your pants fitting properly, and I know I do, and because 5 pounds to me is one whole pant size. I don't know why, but that's where it goes, in the middle, in the gut, and in the thighs, and so I don't like it. I don't like it. So we just need to stabilize that, and I think you guys probably feel the same way, right? When we do eat, remember when we break the fast tomorrow or whatever day you're setting it for, you need to slowly break the fast so you're not just gaining the weight right back, because that's what's gonna happen. Easily, I can gain the 3-4 pounds back in one night of eating, and eating the wrong thing, that is. So that's usually because I went into the bread and started doing a lot of carbs. Keep your carbs low, at least initially, for this time period, and eat good protein, good fat, clean, avocados for the fat, olive oil, even cheese. But I am taking a break from a lot of cheese and dairy, just cutting that down a little bit. I do put some butter when I do have a piece of bread, but right now I'm just doing vegetables, meat, which is the protein, and good fat. And that's pretty much it, because we want to lose the fat, so we need to eat more fat. All right, guys, that's all I got for you today. Let me know how you're doing. Leave a comment. And as we continue the alternate day fasting series on Reg Edited. And don't forget that caregiving begins with you.